What is a paperclip?
Alright. We something yesterday. Just deal with it. Alright, here we go.
I love how he's like a little kid sitting on the board.
That people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us to grow if we listen them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today. Because I knew you. Like a comet was the morning, and the path is the sun. Like a tree that meets a boulder, halfway through the woods. Who can say if I can change for the better? Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. Like a handprint on my heart, and now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship on promised mooring by wind of the sea, like a sea crossed by a diver in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you, I have been changed for good.
And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done to blame me for.
But then I guess I know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. If I've been changed for the better,
I do believe I have been changed for the better. Because I knew you.
because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed. And you guys rock, and thank you. I miss you guys.